Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to understand how to find out direct children and all descendants. Let's understand this with the help of an example, and let me go back and write my code here. So see that I have written the code in a button click function. So here I have written where total equals to dollar and then the body greater than div, and then I am using the length property to find out the length of my wrapper set. And finally we are displaying that we have total this much div elements. Now let's understand the meaning of this code. So what we are saying here, we are saying that we want to find out all div elements which are direct children of body of your document, right? And whenever you want to retrieve direct children, you need to specify the greater than symbol. Fine. So let's check our document that how many direct div elements do we have in the context of body, right? So let me erase everything here and let me go back to the document and let's verify how many direct div elements do we have in the body of the document. Let me draw some lines here to understand this one. So see that under the body we have this div tag, right? So let me erase this one and let me take a thin line here. Okay, so this one is the first div element which is directly under the body, and within this div we have another div, right? And then within this div we have one more div, and that is this one. And within this div we have few more div elements, right? Number one, and then this one, right? So technically we have only one div that is directly under the body, right? So let me write down here, let me take my tool here and let me write down this is direct div under the body, right? And this one, what is this one? So let me write down this one also. So let me take it again. This is the direct div under the body, and if you see this div tag, this is not a direct div, rather this is a div inside a div. So I can write this is indirect children, right? So same is the case with this div. This is also indirect children of body. This is also indirect div of the body, and the same case is with the last div. This is also a indirect children of the body. So we have only one direct div under the body, and that is this one, right? So our code is going to find out that we have only one direct children, right? So let's go back to the code and let me erase everything here, right? And let me save my document and go back, refresh your web page, and now click on the make changes. See, we have one div elements, right? So you can even write a space here to make it more clear. So go back, refresh your page, and now click on the make changes. See, we got exactly one div elements, right? So we got the exact result. Now what would happen if I remove this greater than symbol here, right? So now by removing the greater than symbol, we are saying that we want all div elements which are under the body. Now it doesn't matter whether they are direct child or indirect child. We are trying to find out all div elements. Fine. So now let's save this document and go back, refresh your page, and then click on refresh your page and then click on make changes. So see, we got total 5 div elements. So we are calculating all direct and indirect children, right? So remember this thing, whenever you want to find out the direct children, always use greater than symbol. And in the next lecture we will understand how to use arrays in jQuery.